All right, guys, we got another Blackstone, or actually should say Blackstone related video. Every time you get one of these Blackstone grills, obviously you have to get the accessories with it. Now, I didn't purchase the Blackstone branded accessories. I actually got this brand. It's called Vomelon. I got it from Amazon, and it was a killer deal. It was like a sorry, I'm coming over a cold, so my voice breaks every now and then. But this was a killer deal. It was 15 bucks, and it came with a bunch of different pieces with it. If I were to get the Blackstone one, it would have been probably like over 20, 25 bucks and very minimal pieces. But I just want to open this up and see, how the quality is and what it comes with. And I just saw the picture. It was like a bunch of stuff, and I saw it for 15 bucks. And I said, for $15, what can go wrong? So let's get into it and see how these things look like. All right, so right off the bat, I'm already very, very happy. I mean, look at all this stuff that you get for 15 bucks. I mean, you just can't beat it. And I just went over the quality a little bit, and it seems very sturdy, very strong. It's not like I think it'll last quite a while. And you got your squirt bottles, which obviously you have to have with when you're griddling. And you have all these different utensils. I mean, and look, for the burger scraper, it has that chiseled, nice sharp edge on it, so you could really get underneath the patty and scrape off all that caramelization when you're flipping the burgers. Has another one here. This is again with a chiseled edge, really nice. And then you have your regular, flippers. They have nice long handles on them. It has a really nice feel to it. I'm really happy. They sit nice and flat. Beautiful. I really like it. And they have obviously some knick-knack stuff too. Here's for eggs and whatnot. If you're gonna be doing sunny side up and whatever. It keeps it nice, keeps the shape nice on the griddle. Doesn't run all over the place. But yeah, really cool. And I like this cutter over here, this scraper cutter. And you scrape off all the gunk after you're done cooking, and also it has a little, measuring over here. So really, really nice. I mean, I'm really happy with it for 15 bucks. I mean, you can't beat it. I think, it'll last a pretty long time. The only spot that I see there's maybe a little weakness is I'm not sure if, I don't know if the camera could catch it, how deep in that metal goes into the handle. This metal here is not the same as this, so it's not fused into this larger portion. It's actually inside of the handle, so when you're pressing down and stuff like that, so I don't know over time if that's gonna hold up. So that's the only weakness that I could see right now. But again, for 15 bucks, I mean, even if it lasts a few years and they start breaking down after that, it's not the end of the world. It's not like it's a huge investment, and for the amount of pieces that you get, I think it was a really good deal. So again, this is the brand is, just so you can see it, the brand is called vomelon. I got it from Amazon. I'll try to put the link in the description in case you guys are interested in getting it. I don't get any kickbacks from anybody. I'm not selling it myself. I'm just doing a little quick review on YouTube just so that people get an idea of the quality of these things. The pictures on Amazon, they might not be super clear, and you might be questioning how are these, the quality on these kind of items. And I gotta say, I am pretty impressed with the amount of stuff that you get for the price. I think you can't beat it. And if it lasts a few years, I look at it as a win. So anyway, hopefully we can do some smash burgers soon. I'll have that video up soon also. Again, like and subscribe if you want more content like this. And I know we've been making a lot of videos on Blackstone and Blackstone-esque stuff, but I think it's pretty useful. I think maybe people will have get some use from these videos if they want to have any questions about quality of these items and whatnot. So yeah, pretty happy. All right, guys, smash that like button if you want more content like this, and if you have any pointers, any comments, any advice you'd like to give me. I'm looking into getting one of those maybe Hamburger presses, or maybe one of those domes, those metal domes to melt cheese and stuff. So if you have any recommendations, let me know. And just FYI, while we're on the subject of hamburger presses, for now, this is my hamburger press. So I'm using actually a little sauce pot. It has a nice flat bottom to it. So what I'm gonna do is just gonna put a piece of wax paper under there and just, you know, smash down the meatballs onto the Blackstone and see if I could get some decent, you know, very thin patties with that. It's heavy, has some weight to it. It's not gonna burn my hand, you know, and I'm just gonna like, it's a makeshift thing. It'll get the job done, at least for now, until I get a real hamburger press. And, you know, again, if you guys have any comments for me, if you have any other things that I could use around the house that I could use for a hamburger press, please let us know. We'd always like some feedback, good or bad. So let us know. And again, subscribe to our channel. We'd really appreciate it. And like our video if you found this informative. Thanks again.